Okay guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the rear tail light bulbs, as we've got an error with the rear brake light bulb. Okay, so as you can see, this is now off, which is just the trimming for the car. Now to remove the brake lights here, you're going to want to loosen these tabs here, and then out it comes like so. Now I'm not sure what bulb it is that's giving the error, but we're now just going to check which one it is. And after that, we're just going to change the bulb over and put it all back together. Okay, so as you can see, it's all back in like so. Everything's connected, the bulb has been changed, and now it's fully working, no errors. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you about this recall, because people keep asking where the location is. So I'm just going to quickly show you. If you lift up your carpet here in the boot, pull it out, and just put that down there. Here is the flap that I was on about that lifts up, and this is where the battery cable's underneath. This flap in the back. Now, to get to it, all you need is, as can be seen here, two Phillips screws right here. Lift it up and you'll be able to see the battery cable. Now it is important that you check for that, because that can cause a lot of problems with your Vanos solenoids, your coils, as well as anything else electronic. Like I said, your Valvetronic motor, which is all important parts to the Vanos. If you keep driving like that, you'll just mess up all your parts, and then once the recall's been done, you will then have to fix all them problems, which can lead to even more expense when you didn't even have to. So it is quite important that you get that fixed, and check if you ain't had it done. Like I said, white means it's already been changed, and that's the latest one, and it should have like a gel resin like I showed you in my last video. If it don't and it's black, get it changed. So as you can see, the car's now back together, all back together in one. Bulb's been changed. I've showed you a lot where the recall is now, as it was commonly asked on my last video. That's it for now guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you've enjoyed watching all my videos. This is BMW Dr. Dean here, and I look forward to producing more videos for you. Please just keep watching my videos, and please keep sharing them. Thanks very much.